talikola. Memorica ora va scopo e da tutti questi Kamera zawe ziriyo. Baba kamudwai back. Kamudumuda. Lero kusipa. Jamani. Kola kungaza ile. Tunayisema kintu kinene. Ebyatente kundo kwenyenya tebiriyo. Dole Nimwe batali kulotapo kukamwe yande
kwene okutufikirire owebunole omuwengula eno atandika okola emirimu gye otwambakiza yafuna minisita wa tourism mu chiefdom amwambaze atandika okola emirimu egy'obyobulambuzi mu chiefdom yebunole so baba kusaba oyogereku eri abamawulire
zembo nanga nyeganyege kirabo kyamaani ino eri gyetuli neerala abasoga era omuntu yenayena alwanisa nyegenyege nga musoga kiba kitegeeza nti oyo wabulaba eri busoga kubanga obwavu bulumye busoga eno abantu bwe baawa okwakatisa konakona akabafunisa sente aye nga okufuna sente okuti bali kumenya n'amateeka ga idiini tibali kumenya n'amateeka ga igwanga it is okay wetwogerera eitanda bubugo awonawona gazira abantu bapangisa amayumba gaibwe bapangisa amataka gaibwe enaku dinedi kujja okubaawo ina abantu bafunye sente abantu bakyuseeku mu bulamu bwaibwe enguudo diri kukolebwa ba members of parliament bali excited ndowooza abandi bakyamufu lwakuba bali mu parliament lwakuba bali Kampala. What is very important bategeere ebizibu bya Uganda bategeere ebintu bya busoga era bategeere nti nyegenyege tineyaleeta homosexuality mu nsi aba member of parliament ali kukola argument at homosexuality ereeta eva mu nyegenyege deno yaba ali misplaced aba azira nsonga yakwogera
nyegenyege tuba tumufunamu embuzi y'emitwalo 10 tugitunda emitwalo ago 3 enkoko y'omutwalo tugitunda emitwalo egyo ena tetuba tetufunamu ngafu abavubuka ab'ekyalo batulekera nyegenyege
abantu abali kuva kuya bali mu Uganda namweteseresa okwira mu nyegenyege twaniriza muli kubona itanda bwefaanana falls diri wano abazungu abali kuva kuyo okwira muno balijja kubanga banumirwa bino ebintu babone falls nga diri kuba amaadi babone obuyumba bw'abantu babone ekyalo bwe kifaanana kino kijja kwongera okutukumula Uganda monsi okuya and Uganda eri gyafuna in terms of foreign exchange kubanga bano abantu balireeta dola saadi n'owonoonya hotero mu kibuga yinda ng'oyenda okupangisa mu tawuni mwene tosobola agifuna nze nina abantu abaliva kuluya bena baire ndinooneza hotero wano muyirinda mwene tyafunye kubanga dona badipangisa liri full tuli kunoonya kati mu bitundu nga Bugembe Mafubira obutundutundu obuli yine wano bwe tuli kunoonya mu hotero abantu bano okukola ki so abaene ma hotero gano bafunye mu kyamaani ino kubanga abantu bano balijasula mu wiiki namba hotero saadi n'okufuna ew'okusula mu idinda saadi ekiri wakati wa mitwalo 15 olunaku nakweyongerayo so omuntu aba alifuna sente edo amahotero gano buli lunaku sente dibakamala ate tugaine ku nti nyegenyege okwida oluguudo olw'okuva okwamba kuti okujja embulamuti baire lutwaye ekibanga nga tirukule bali mu budget ayi tugaine batandise okululima so abantu abakolera eno business bona bajja kufunamu nyegenyege niwana abagoloyi ayi oluguudo olujja kusigala nga luki bulungi abantu abalira eno ekitundu kyo bona bakoze parking daibwe kitegeeza balijja kusasuza abantu bana abali kwide emotoka daibwe bibona
kwide eno mugwainenge enguudo dirikolebwa kino kituyamba kuti balikola n'enguudo ko tuyida okubisa enana daife endagi daife okuditwala mu tawuni edinda okuditunda ekintu ekindi ekyokubiri muganda wange kyenenda okutegeere n'abanayuganda kyebenda bategeere nti parliament yabaire kufita namufuta ne busoga omukulu Kuliisa Obole yatwitinze yakoba nti ensida tourism gye batweeting gye bali promotinga busoga nendo olingirire ebiyigiriro bino ebyo tourism nti abantu bangi nze n'abaana abange benzaire abali mu Kampala tibabonanga ku maadi gatokota bantu abali kwida bwe banasanuka bayinza n'okwenda eitaka egi mu erya busoga yakoba ati kagule ku eitaka eno kino kijja kwongera ni value ey'eitaka lyaife okuniina so ndowooza nti parliament etabana mutima mubi gwa butendesa nga bwe beyendeza nibeyongeza omusaala nibeyongeza esente eningi baendeze ku nibusoga esobola okuboneka ng'ekulaakula
water safety and to employees abaana abawerako ba divers abakuno ne ba marines abagenda oku overseeing buli kimu tulese ba lifeguards ne instructors okusomesa abantu okuwuga atamanyi kuwuga ku bwerere tugenda teekawo beach eri nacho eri artificial beach nga omuntu asobola okujja n'ateekako swimming costumes ebawagiriza okuwuga atamanyi amanyi n'awuga. Kuliko ne services za tubing, itanda tubing, nti atamanyi kuwuga amanyi okuwuga bakuwa gears zino zenzaddeko, helmet, life jacket, ne bakuteeka ku tube, ne bakuwa ne life leading kayak kutwala mu maaso, then nekugoberera nekuleetera ebyokulya ku mazzi wali nga egira ku table. Ati bonna twabutaddemu nti oba oyagala cocktail ya salads bagiteeka ku mazzi, omwana n'agivuga n'agikuleetera wali n'ebifaananyi waali ali kukuba full time.
Media caught me, the president of Uganda, nendo okumwebaza ni number 1 supporter and defender of Nyegenyege festival. President ayenda abantu babe happy, ayenda abantu banumirwe. President yatuwagira mu 2018 nga bendosa za mu Nyegenyege yatuwagira mu 2019 and the same atuwagire ni 2022. Twenda okwebaza the regional mama Kadaga, yena yatulwanirira ino olutalo ino. Kenya confirmed 2000 bali kuida abajobita kunjira bave Kenya balye batuuke wale obugundi awo busitema balye batuuke bujirye waifao balye baide nga bali kulya munjira nga basupendinga sente ayinga ne wabwe bavayo na baleseyo sente. So Tanzania bali kuida abantu abakonfirmize around 1000 nga 1000. Rwanda bali kuvayo nga 500, Burundi 200, South Sudan tulina 400 registered bali kuida. So wetata ku Nigeria, twata ku Ghana, wetweta West Africa, we have like 600 who have confirmed becoming. Mpera ano bano banaife abaida munoni abazungu bava mu nsedo okuliya US, UK, Canada, mu Europe yona mu nsedo Scandinavian countries. They are confirmed, they are above, numbers are increasing, but they are above 8,000. Muje mu confirming naba airlines ni CAA, dino confirmations diriyo. The time between...
We used to generate income. We had our industries, that is not there. So we had so many activities that would really make us generate income. It is no longer there. So if we get our Nyegenyege here and then you ban it, then the Basoga should rise up and fight against this evil, I call it evil, against this vice. Because if you are targeting Basoga to be poor totally, then we can discriminate you. And I want to call upon all the Basoga to discriminate any leader who fights this cause.
Are you in support of immorality?
I'm not in support of immorality, but I'm in support of Nyegenyege. Nobody can justify that. There is no evidence to the effect, and that's why I say that let those people who allege that there is homosexuality in Nyegenyege come up and identify those who are practicing such immorality, so that we can put them to book and even prosecute them in the courts of law.
Okay. Although
the water safety, we are close to 50, but before we have been 5. Because I've been overseeing the scuba divers here and the tubing here, Vitanda tubing, which are opening. We have been using 5 per day and there's no problem. But then here on this event, we have to increase to 50. Each safety spot just have a diver, a kayak rescue diver, and then we also have a fully dressed marine divers with oxygen for first aid, working with Red Cross. 50 people for those days, they're gonna earn money, which is they could have earned on a daily, on a normal running in 3 months. Because it is a big lump sum at once, because it's a very big... we have made sure we have kept on ground for the last 1 month. Before this month, they watch the water, they train from here, they do carry sand, they do rescue trainings from here. That's why when you came randomly, you still found us doing the same, on the same routine. And we can say we're in position to accommodate as many as thousands and thousands of people on the water, because we're working with watchtowers, kayaking teams, guides and boats, and oxygen masked, fully masked diver, marine diver, to offer safety, first aid. We're working with the Red Cross. It is very, very, very quite organized to think we can't be able to handle.
The beach, and there are more stages, I think. And this year they decided to focus a lot more on art installation and Yeah.
Nyeganyega event that is coming as soonest, one, it is going to promote Uganda to an international level. Because as you see, the waterfalls here at Tanda, they are one of the best falls we have in Africa. You see how the water trickles up and down. These people that are coming from abroad, what they are interested in is seeing the beauty of Uganda, seeing the falls here, seeing the ramshackled houses where they are passing here and there. And this thing is going to earn this country foreign exchange, because these people are going to bring money here in terms of dollars and other kind of currencies. I had a group that is coming from abroad that wanted a hotel in Jinja. Most of the hotels are booked. You find no space. One person books the entire hotel. This road from Ambakot to Mbulamuti, it has taken long in the government plan. It has not been done. But with this Nyeganyege coming on board, we've seen tractors doing maintenance on the road, which is another credit on the people living in this area. And we've seen around the people around this entire stretch. They have put up parking.
We want to assure the nation that this festival is so safe. There is nothing like immorality, there is nothing like vandalizing people's property, there is nothing like whatever they have talked about. The place is safe, this place is big, it has been protected. We've got where people are going to sleep. I think the media will be able to show the public. We are going to have more than 5 music tents. We shall have like 300 local artists, the traditional artists from all over Uganda and outside Uganda. Nyeganyege employs more than 4,000 people that directly work with Nyeganyege management. And then 2,000 people are going to exhibit. They're going to sell foods, drinks, among others. So Nyeganyege, it's a very big event that brings a lot of revenue into the country, into the central government, the treasury, and then locally analysis of people coming in from all over the world. We are getting so many people, over 2,000, 4,000 tourists from Kenya, and then 1,500 from Tanzania, 1,000 from Rwanda, and then 400 from Burundi, and then 200 from South Sudan. Outside East Africa, we are expecting more than 1,000. Those from outside countries, Europe, North America, and then among others, UK. So far the confirmation, people who have confirmed their reservations, tickets, and then hotels, we have so far more than 8,000 residents coming in.
I want to thank all the members of the parliament, and especially the members of the community, the Chabazinga, of course, who we've met earlier in the year and gave us his blessing. Now, here in Busoga, we have the same morals as the people in parliament. We have the same morals as people in France. We have the same morals as any good parent that would never allow this kind of incident to happen here. So there's a whole community that has watched this little event become a world-known event, and we cannot accuse any of these people, including us, of having let these kind of things happen. These things will not happen under our watch. I want to introduce my background a little bit. I was raised a Christian and always told that in this life you have to do 2 things. You have to do good deeds and try to be a good person. So I don't believe in business without morals, business without ethics. I don't believe in art or music without morals and ethics, and this is not the kind of project that we want to do.